Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious broccoli soup, step by step. First, gather your ingredients: 1 large head of broccoli, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Wash and chop the broccoli into small florets. Dice the onion and mince the garlic, preparing them for the next stage of cooking. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion and minced garlic, sautéing until softened and fragrant, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add the broccoli florets and pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the broccoli is very tender. Once the broccoli is tender, remove the pot from the heat. Using an immersion blender, carefully blend the soup directly in the pot until it reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can transfer the soup in batches to a regular blender. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream and season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. Your homemade creamy broccoli soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and serve immediately. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese, some crispy croutons, or a swirl of extra cream. This comforting soup is perfect for a cozy meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your kitchen spotless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.